At sunrise, worker bees begin nature's most important mission.
Entering the hive reveals a breathtaking interior. The massive honeycomb walls are divided into distinct zones for honey storage.
The queen, the living heart of the hive.
While the drone bees rest near the top, the worker bees manage the hive, cleaning cells, feeding the brood, building wax walls.
Pollen becomes bee bread, the colony's vital nutrition. Nectar begins its journey to become honey. Wing power ripens nectar into honey. Sealed with wax, honey is preserved for the future.